Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I did this like purple and blue halo eye. I don't know what I'm gonna call it. It reminds me of like a mermaid though. So I'm gonna call it like this mermaid halo eye using the Morphe 35B. And I know it's discontinued, but most people have it already. So yeah, if you wanna see how I got this look, keep on watching. So I'm panning out my concealer right now. I always set my eyelids with the ColourPop No Filter concealer in the shade Deep Dark 52 when I'm doing like a colorful look. As you can see, this is the eye. It looks really good. I'm proud of myself. And guess what I'm doing today? Guess. You guys won't guess. I bet you guys won't. I'll give you some seconds. You won't get it. I know you won't. A halo eye. I know, wow. I never do halo eyes. I never do halo eyes. When you try to lie to yourself. And I literally do not set my concealer. If you still set your concealer in 2018, like, girl, boy, whatever. Dog. No. It's a no for me, dog. So, yeah, you want your concealer to be tacky. And we're using the 35B from Morphe. So I already know they discontinued it, but most people have it. So when your eyes are set in the 35B, go in with this blue shade right here. ColourPop E1 brush. It looks like this. Not just pack it on. Of course, always blend out the creases in your concealer. Before you put on the eyeshadow. So I just tap into it sometimes and just tap it right in my crease. Like you want it to be pigmented. So after you think that it's like pigmented enough, you want to start smallly, like going in small circular motions to really blend out the edges. Take this e.l.f. blending brush. You can use any brush to like pack on eyeshadow. And I'm gonna use this shade from the Morphe 35B. This one. First. Is really good. And I just tap in there. And I'll start at my outer corner. And just pat that right there. And do the same for the inner corner. And you can start blending when you think it's like enough pigment. So when you blend it, just go in like small circular motions. You really want to really blend out this part. That really gives the gradient. I feel like I lost some of the blue, so if you feel like that, just add some more. But just like sweep it right there. And go back in with the same brush with the purple. So now, I'm going to take this e.l.f. crease brush. Yeah. This e.l.f. crease brush. I'm going to take this shade right here. See this purple? Like a deeper pink shade. And I'm just going to put that on the outer parts and inner parts of my eye also. And blend. Blend it all together. But I always use the e.l.f. concealer brush. Actually, I'm not gonna cut it off because there might be some new people watching and they don't know how to do halo eye. So I was using the Elf concealer brush and my ColourPop concealer, the same one from earlier that I used to prime my eyelids. So now, oh yeah guys, matter of fact, I was just talking about that later. So I'm sorry, that's annoying. But I look forward so I can get like the middle of my eye. That's what you're supposed to do. Because if you don't look forward and you realize that, oh, this is in the middle of my eye, the halo is supposed to be in the middle. So I look forward and I see the middle of my eye. And I close my eye and I draw like a line. A small little line right there. And then I look up. And I look right back down, and then you can see that it made like a marking for me. So with the small little line, I'm gonna drag it out a little bit more. You don't want to drag it out too much. And then I'm gonna start going upwards to where the marking is. And at the marking, I'm gonna try and do like a crescent moon shape with the concealer. It's hard to do that with this brush, honestly, but I suggest that you try. You can also add more concealer if you need it. And I carefully blend in. I carefully add more concealer. The concealer is still wet. We're gonna go in with this shade right here. Let me swatch it. It's so cool. That's how it looks. It's so cool. I never saw anybody use this in a tutorial, so I'm happy to use it. And I'm gonna use it on like this flat brush. So at first I use it dry. I just tap some off and I just tap it into your concealer. So now that that's done, you want to take any clean blending brush. I'm going to use this ColourPop E9, and I'm just going to really blend the purple with the shimmer and with the halo eye. And you could get some more purple on that brush and spray it. I'm going to use the Mermaid lavender spray, which is also purple. And just pat that right over top of it. And if some of the shimmer got like at the inner and outer parts, you can just use the last purple brush you use and just blend that together. Okay, so now for like this part right here, like the cut over top of the halo eye, I'm taking this pink shade right here, right next to the purple shade. This is how it looks. I'll swatch it. I'm using it as like a highlight because it's not too bright and it's not too dark. So I'm going to take this angled brush right here and dip in there a few times. And then like tap it off. And then really soak it. So it can go on like a liquid instead of powder. And you see like where the top of your halo eye is, that's where you want to put it. So now I'm going to do eyeliner. And the liner I'll be using is the Stila liquid eyeliner. I'm not doing the wing, I'm just lining my waterline. And then, I'm going to put on these lashes, these kiss lashes. And they're in Demi Wispies. Okay, and for the lower lash line, we're going to take, this orange shade right here. And we're gonna take this pink shade. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below for more. Also, I'll link my last videos down below and my social media. So yeah, bye.